इब्राहिम, अगर किसी बच्चे को स्टार्टिंग से राइटिंग इंट्रोड्यूस करवानी हो, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू इंट्रोड्यूस राइटिंग. Wow, Ibrahim did a great job. Yes, good job, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, this is straight line. This is zigzag.
Pink. Whoa.
Wow, that's great. Good job. Ibrahim?
Oh, pumpkin.
Yes? क्या हुआ? Oh, it's okay. Good job. Join the dots and make a line. Start with the straight line.
Mama, pink.
Yes. Yes, good. Very good.
Mama, look. Let's jump up. Let's jump up.
Wow, Ibrahim, wow. You done it well. That's great. Good, Ibrahim. Ibrahim is a good boy. This is circle. Ibrahim, what's this? Ibrahim, circle. Ibrahim, circle. Circle. Yeah, it's finished. Clapping. Clapping, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, this is straight line. Zigzag. Circle. Yes. No, ऐसे नहीं करते. Raise करो. Raise with the duster. Not with your hands. Okay. Raise the board. Ibrahim, hold it. Hold it with the foot. Then raise it. Good. Very nice. Okay. Bye, Ibrahim. Bye.